Hi, today we're going to show you the VMI NorthStar conversion in a Chrysler Pacifica chassis. The NorthStar offers a fully automatic conversion with the in-floor power ramp and kneeling system. As you can see, the ramp is very easy to operate and has an 800-pound weight capacity. You'll also notice that it has a 30-inch wide ramp, which means it can accommodate most manual wheelchairs, power chairs, and scooters. Inside the vehicle, you can see that there is plenty of room for the wheelchair user, offering VMI's 360-degree maneuverability, as well as tie-down tracks to secure the wheelchair. There is also plenty of room for 3 full-size passengers in the third row. The front seats are easily removable, allowing an adult wheelchair user to either ride in the front passenger position or drive from their wheelchair with proper training. The Pacifica comes with a variety of luxury features. This model includes climate-controlled seats as well as a heated steering wheel. If you have any questions about the VMI NorthStar conversion or any of our other conversion options, please contact your local mobility consultant by visiting superiorvan.com. And thanks for watching.